How you doing? Welcome and welcome back to another video. And it is Thursday morning. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning and it is freezing. It's like 35 degrees out this morning. It's super cloudy because we're supposed to be getting a storm Friday. Well, Friday morning into the afternoon and stuff. But supposedly the evening's gonna be okay for trick-or-treaters and stuff. We'll see about that. But anyway, yeah, I'm on the river road, as you can tell. And if you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Cindy. I do a lot of nature walk, vlog style videos. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. And oh my word, my face is cold. Because daylight savings time is coming soon, I'm not gonna be out here until like 8 or 9. Seriously, because the daylight savings time, and then my schedule is 4:30. I'd wake up last summer and I would come out here and there'd be beautiful sunrises and stuff. But with the changing of the seasons and stuff, yeah, it's not happening. So I'm gonna walk down this road, the river road, and see what I can come across. I guarantee there won't be any deer down here, because usually the deer will come down in the fields when the sun peeks out and they'll get warm and stuff. But I haven't seen a deer in like forever, because it's been cloudy out, it's been cold. By the time I get out here, it's like 7 o'clock, and days like today, it's real cloudy out, so I don't think the deer are gonna be out today. They might be, but there's no guarantees. Even on Penobscot Avenue, where I used to see them out there, they're probably like deep in the woods now. Maybe not, because you're not allowed to hunt here in town or near residential areas, so they might be around here so they don't get, by hunters. So there's awful cute families. Oh my gosh, one morning I come down here in the field and there were 5 deer, and they were bucking around and friggin' playing. Oh man, I had a grin on my face from ear to ear. And then a couple of times I saw deer, and they were awesome. Deer are fun to watch. I've never watched bear before, but my husband said that there used to be a dump over in North Howland, I think it was, back when he was little. And him and his father used to go out there and watch the bear over there scrounge for food and stuff. That must have been fun. A little scary, but fun. But yeah. So if you like these videos, if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe to my channel. And you might as well hit that notification bell, so that way every time when I upload a video, you'll get the notification for it. So I'll let you go. Looks like we got some Canadian geese over here. I don't know if they're sleeping. They might be sleeping, taking a nap. They look like they got their little beaks in behind where their feathers are. That must be how they sleep. Oh, there they are. Must have heard me. Oh, maybe they're cleaning themselves. Huh, that's cool. This is what it's like on the... There's more of them over there on that rock. Yeah, I like it when they move their feathers, their little tails. Oh, you hear them? Oh, did you see that one? That one's cool. That one was like, he must be taking a bath or something. The seagulls are flying around. They're always flying around. So I'm still on this river road, and me and my husband were on this road, and he kept going by this rail over here, and I looked down, and he's got, remember how the other day I had all those little seed things all over me? Well, guess what happened to him? He had all those seeds around him. Some things are a pain in the butt. Oh my word. He doesn't come out much. He's got COPD. So when he comes out, it's in the afternoon because it's warmer, because his lungs can't handle the coldness. That's what 2 packs a day of cigarettes will do to you. Anyway, so, oh, and I want to tell you ahead of time that tomorrow is supposed to rain, so I'm gonna have a pre-filmed video of what it looks like now versus what it looks like then. You know, the postcards and stuff. I had some other ones. I should have like a writing of it, of what it, you know, what the stores were and stuff like that. Maybe I'll do that because my mother-in-law's lived here her whole life, so maybe she knows what the stores were and stuff like that. So we'll see. It's a whole lot. It's a big write-up. Oh, looks like somebody's going to school. I guarantee he won't be taking that four-wheeler tomorrow. I don't know if he gets a ride or what. He's probably in high school, probably a senior by now. Geez, it's been a couple of years since I've been walking on this road, and he's brought a four-wheeler to school. It's so funny too, because you go over to the school and there's like 5 or 6 four-wheelers and side-by-sides all lined up in the driveway. Still on this river road, and it's like, God, it's got to be like 7:30 by now. It's still freezing. My hands are cold. I don't know what I'm gonna do this winter. I'll probably have to have really thick gloves. I like these gloves here because they have, you can do cell phones while the gloves are on with these ones. I'll have to find some with, you know, those thick gloves that you could do the same thing. They gotta have them. They're probably mad expensive too. They're probably like $20 or something just for those. That's a ton, but we'll see. I am too. Now, sometimes I go up this road. I used to go up this road, but since I've been going in that trail down this road, I haven't really needed to go down there, but man, I saw those 2 big bucks down there once. The man that lives in this house here, he has a really sweet dog, and he was out and he come over and he said hi and he talks. He lives by himself, so whoever comes down the road he'll talk to. Well, anyway, so we went down, that's Karen Drive or something like that. We went down there and I'm talking to him and I look over and I was like, dude, there's 2 huge bucks over there. And he goes, oh, those are the 2 deer that everyone keeps talking about that keep going over there every morning. I'm like, oh yeah? He goes, yeah, the guy over to the, what do you call it? The town office said he sees them there all the time. So I'm like, dang. That they were huge too. And then, like 2 weeks later, I see them on my road. Right in, the people don't live there anymore. They moved out, but they were right there. I was like, nuh-uh. Right after I come down this road, and I saw a bunch of deer down here. And I walked down, I was, on my phone. I'm always on my phone. Yeah, anyway, I look up and I look over and I see those 2 bucks. I was like, nuh-uh. I was like, this is jackpot. There's somebody that has chickens. They just got chickens. Man, they should have had a better setup for them chickens, because the way they have it now, they have like a pallet. They have like stacks of pallets around, and it's not even enclosed. They're just the pallets, and they have just plastic, like, kind of around them. Yo, I hope they plan on doing a little better at putting stuff around that chicken coop, because man, that's not a very good structure. They should have built that junk and then bought the chickens. But anyway, it's their chickens. Eesh, whatever. It's not very good, but I think something already happened to one of those chickens too. I think something got at him. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here. See how they have it's just plastic around them, and poor things are gonna freeze to death. Hopefully they at least have hay in there. I'm almost to the field, so when I get there, I'll pick you back up. So like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in a bit. Bye. So I made it to the field. Yo, let me tell you what. Let me tell you something. There ain't no freaking deer down here. You know why I say that? Because you got a girl walking down here. Then you had the guy riding his side-by-side who lives down here, who maintains all this. Yeah, he's riding up and down. So. See, that's him. He lives in that house right there. So you have that guy riding the side-by-side up and down this road. You got that chick walking down here. Yo, how am I supposed to friggin' see any deer? Of course, it's not sunny out, so they're probably still in the woods. Hopefully safe and sound. They haven't got, you know, from the hunters. But, yeah. It's like, come on. I haven't seen a deer in like weeks. It's all good though. My main objective for these videos were for my wellness. I walk around town basically for my wellness, losing weight, getting some fresh air. All the animals and stuff like that are just bonuses, really. And then, well, I do it every morning. I walk every morning. So I'm like, well, I might as well vlog it and then stick it on the internet. So I'm pretty much a vlogger. Oh man. So my husband's been doing some lives on mainly Maine finds on TikTok. So if you want to go check that out, it's us going around town and stuff like that in the afternoon, walking around and by the river and stuff like that. So that's in the afternoon where it's warmer out. He can only do 2 miles. Like I said before, he can only do like 2 miles because he's got COPD. So it's all good. I am going to go down this trail. Shh. So, because I love going down this trail. So I will see you when I get there. Bye. All right. Always looking up. It's pretty dull in here this morning. Oh, it looks like this wasn't here before. It looks like he cleaned something out. Cleaned it out over here. That's some nice wood, though. For a fire? What? Yeah, those trees. She's naked. I probably won't go to the field. I'll probably just walk down through here. Here's some leaves. Yeah, I'll probably just walk through here. Yeah, I'll probably take a couple of pictures and boy, it's awful open in here without all the leaves in the trees. It's very, you can see. Granted, it's very gloomy out, but still, it's very open and bright. So, yeah. This is what it looks like this way. And then this is what it looks like. See how the trees are. Yeah. You can hear the interstate. The interstate's real close. Yeah, this is the spot. I can go down that way to go to the field. Nice little walking spot. And then look at that. Look how it's all friggin' like it's cleared out. That's why it's the best time to go hunting is now. Because the deer and the moose are all filled up with nice greenery. And they're not all wormy, I guess. That's what everyone keeps saying. Like, I guess in the wintertime, they're not good because they're all wormy or something. Probably because the poor things have to live on tree bark. Here's a fun fact I didn't know about. So, I didn't know until I met my husband that deer travel in packs. They herd together. I would imagine because when the snow gets high, they can beat down the snow, and it's easier to walk that way. When there's a trail, you know, when someone's in front of you, you know, you got 2 or 3 people. The one in front of you cuts the trail, and then the people in behind is, you know, in more and more trail, and probably so they can like cuddle together to stay warm, for Pete's sakes, because here in Maine it gets mad cold. But yeah, I didn't know that. Now moose, I don't think so. I never heard anything about them herding together. But deer, I heard they herd together. Anyway, so that's a interesting fact. Yeah, the interstate's right over there. That's why you can hear the cars and stuff. This is what it looks like this way. This is what it looks like this way. This is what it looks like up. This is what it looks like down. Haha. Yeah. So oh man, I'm getting to the end of this trail. So like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. All right. So it's very open in this spot right here. Of course, the interstate's like right there. And the road is right there. The end of this trail. So oh man, I love this trail. I wonder what it's gonna be like in the winter time when it snows. After it snows, we'll find out. Stay tuned for that. It looks like he's been cutting because it smells like sawdust. But this is the end of the trail. Did I just hear a dog? Geez, I hope not. I will be devastated. Although I brought some protection, but let's see. It says no hunting on this trail. X-nay on that A. I'm telling you what. So I will end this vlog here, and I hope everyone has a lovely day. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, to my channel, and hit the like button, share this video to other social medias, and comment down below if you like going out for walks in the morning or if you're a night person that likes to go on walks at night or in the afternoon. Comment down below. And in the description down below, there's a link, and it will take you to all my social medias. And go check me out over there. Like, comment, share. Follow me on their social medias. TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. And go check me out. Follow me. And you write comments and stuff like that. And I hope everyone has a lovely day. And we'll see you on my next adventure. See you later.